Can you make 1000 rupees out of stock market every day? If yes, then how? And if no, then why? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Shri Show from Trading Explained, and in today's video, we are going to understand this aspect of stock market wherein people talk about consistency and then they relate consistency to making consistent money every day. So how does that work? We are going to understand all of that in today's video and then going to answer this question: whether or not can you make money, can you make consistent money like 500,000 or 2,000 every damn day from stock markets. So without any further ado, let's begin. So let's start the video by understanding what do we mean by consistency when we talk about stock markets in general. So when we talk about consistency, it does not mean that you have to make money every day in stock markets. It generally or usually means that you have to be profitable over the month or over the week on smaller time frames. So if you are able to beat markets or if you are able to make money out of markets on monthly basis and are able to stay profitable on monthly basis, then that means you are consistent in markets. Now in that 1 month period, it might happen that first week of the month you are ending in red, second week you are ending in green, third week you are again ending in red, and fourth week you are ending in green. But whenever you are ending in red, you are making sure that you are not losing much of your capital, while whenever you are ending in green, you are actually taking bigger chunks of profits. So over here in week 1, even if you are ending red, you are just losing a small amount, similar to when you are losing in week 3. And in week 2 and week 4, when you are making money, you are making sure to hold on to those profitable trades and take bigger chunks of profits. So although in week 1 you are red, week 2 you are green, week 3 again you went red, and week 4 you are profitable. So at the end of the month, when you tally all these weeks and see the calculations how they come up to, so at that time you need to make sure that you are staying profitable. Like you need to be above the break-even zone, and if you do this over multiple months, like for 6 months, 8 months, 1 year, then we can say that okay, you are consistently profitable in markets. Now what usually happens is, whenever we talk about consistency, people immediately relate this thought of making money every day with consistency, because that is how corporate world works. Like if you are doing a job and if you are having a salary of 30,000 rupees, that technically or essentially means you are making 1,000 rupees every day, right? And most of the people have that 30,000 or 25,000 rupees range salary. And therefore it is very common of people to think like that, whether or not they can make 1,000 rupees out of stock market. If you are on corporate thing, if you are doing a job, then technically it means you are basically earning on per day basis. Like they are just giving you salary at the end of the month. But technically what it means is, if you are having salary of let's say 15,000, then you are making 500 rupees every day. And because this thought of making money every day on wage basis has gotten into our minds, pretty much every person who is new into the markets or hasn't been into markets for long thinks about this particular question at least once, whether or not can you make money consistently daily, like 500 rupees or 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees every day out of stock market. So on TV, on a few media channels, I won't name them, there are few shows wherein they guarantee that you can make 2,000 rupees every day. That's all bullshit. Like if you can make that kind of money every day, then why don't you just go ahead and multiply your lots and make money yourself, right? Why are you telling us? So TV, media, all bullshit. Don't trust these guys. What really consistency means again is just staying profitable over the month. So let's answer this question: whether or not can you make kind of 1,500 or 2,000 every day, like same money every day for 22 trading days. Trust me guys, it's impossible. There's not one person in the world who can do that for, anyone can do that for 1 month or 2 months, but it is very, 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 very difficult to do that on consistent basis, meaning for 1 year, 2 year, 5 years time frame. It is impossible, because markets are random. Markets are second name for randomness. And when we talk about trading out of something that is very random, how can you expect such consistency when market does not guarantee anything at all? Like if you're trading, the only thing is you're either going to lose or you're going to win. The only thing you need to take care of is that whenever you are losing, you have to lose small. Whenever you are winning, you have to win big. And you do not know the kind of trades you're going to get on daily basis, or you know, like today it was a good day for you. Let's say today was a good day and today you made some good money, but who knows, tomorrow might not be the same, right? Markets are never the same. So tomorrow if market gives you money, it might happen tomorrow. Today if market gives you money, it might happen tomorrow, it might just take some of it back. So it is absolutely impossible to make 1000 rupees or 2000 rupees or 500 rupees or anything consistently on daily basis. No trader does that. No trader, no professional trader thinks of markets in that way, because they know that they have to stay profitable at the end of the month, not at the end of the day. At the end of the day we might lose, because it is a game of probability, right? I have made a video on how probabilities work. I'll link that to description. If you want to watch, you can go ahead and watch it. But market is a game of probabilities. You have to look markets, or you have to look at trading from how your next 100 or 200 trades are going to work out, not how your next 2 trades are going to work out. Because you know, in very short term, like if you think about next 5 trades, it might happen that you go on a losing streak of 5 trades, but over the period of next 200 trades, that losing streak of 5 trades won't really matter, because then you know the average thing comes into play. And even you know that when probabilities come into play, then you know, this consistency thing just flows out a bit. So similarly, when you're talking about making money in markets, it is impossible to make 1000 rupees as we are talking in this case every day. Like no matter what your capital is, it does not matter about, it's not about the capital, but you know, it is about having that mentality of making exact same amount of money from markets every day. That is basically a job mentality, a daily wage workers mentality. Don't have that mentality, because that is not going to work. So yeah, just take out that wrong mentality, take that wrong mentality out of your mind, because until and unless you have that thing in your mind that I can make consistent money every day from markets, I can go home every day green from markets, and that is not going to happen. Professional traders do not believe in things like that, and they are okay if they lose on 2 or 3 days, but they make sure that they are winning. When they are winning it big, and at the end of the month they are ending it green. So here you have it. What does a consistency really means when we talk about stock market? And the question has been answered, whether or not can you make money in stock markets on a daily consistent basis. So I hope you learned something out of this video, and if you did, then make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, because I keep coming back with such videos that revolves around trading consistency, trading failures, and trading success in general. So I will see you in the next one. Until then, you guys take care. Bye bye. Peace out.